All right, 26th August, last week of August over here. Let's take a look here what we got today. Today we got nothing. Pound holiday, beautiful. Tuesday, chilling. Wednesday, no news. Thursday, unemployment claims. We'll see how Thursday goes. Friday. For the most part, nothing. For the most part, this week looks like a pretty calm week, but we'll see what happens, right? Let's take a look at gold, starting from gold, start from the daily time frame. We know that the daily candles over here, we're basically creating some sort of a support area. And at the same time, we have some sort of a resistance on the daily candles right up over here at 25.16. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have obviously a support. Let's remove this zone. Now we can adjust this zone over here. So we got a resistance on the 4-hour. Seems like on the small time frames, we're kind of like, consolidating, but we'll take a look at that now. So on the 4-hour, first we got a resistance, we got support. The 4-hour range is pretty big. We got like, 290 pip range over here. And then above this resistance, we have 135 pip range going towards 25.27. Looking at the 1-hour, we can further adjust the zones now. Right here, let's see, we got resistance on the 1-hour time frame, obviously, and now we got to adjust the zones on the 1-hour. And the one thing that I notice is that there's a support here on the 1-hour now. So basically in this range between 25.16 and 25.09, which is a 69.70 pip range. And based just on the 1-hour time frame, if we do break and close below, what's this level, 25.09, this is a wick to fill to the left hand side, 68 pips away. So it's a pretty nice area. Let's take a look at this wick on the 30-minute time frame here. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, you can see how the support comes down here. Now on the 1-hour, the question is, why are we not focusing on the 1-hour for it to break and close below, and why are we looking at the 30-minute? The reason why we're looking at the 30-minute is because 30-minute is still a strong enough confirmation time frame. So in this case, I'd be looking at price to break and close below 25.07 for this wick to fill, which is now 54 pips, which makes sense. Let's take a look at this now on the 15-minute. And okay, 15-minute is a much, well, on the 15-minute, this now becomes market structure. And I'm not gonna, bring this all the way down over here based on the 15-minute, because 15-minute is a weak confirmation time frame. Even though if we can get a break and close below 25.08, this still is like room for price to go down. But I'm specifically going to be looking at this 30-minute close below 25.07. Also, it's a Monday, so we got to be safe. We got to go slow. That makes sense. Now, that when that's done, maybe looking at buys about 25.17. But this is very important area here because look, we rejected it once. This was news. It came up. We rejected this once. We rejected this again. And then we rejected this again with a bullish candle. And then we continue to push up. So if a 30-minute candle can break and close below 25.07, this becomes a very good target for price to push down. And then obviously, if there's more volume, we could continue pushing down towards 24.98. That's for sells. Now, for buys, I'd be looking at about 25.18. Looking to the left-hand side, yeah, there's a lot of problems here to the left-hand side. So take a look at this, right? So if you do break above 25.18, 25.17, 50, this is like 20 pips away, these wicks here to the left-hand side. And then you got a bigger one at 25.24, 78 pips away. So personally, if I'm looking at this, I'm probably going to be looking at price continuing up till 25.24, because if we do break above 25.17, let me zoom out here a little bit. If we do break above 25.17, then we'd be anticipating volume to break above these areas, 25.19, So volume will be trusting for price to break above these areas. Now, if those buys don't happen above 25.18, so I'm giving you different scenarios here, right? So we got to pay attention. If we continue to push down till 25.07 and create support with these candles being bearish, then we could say that, okay, maybe now we have clean range. And if we create support, I think there's a possibility for price to move up. you know. So we'll see how things come up towards London Open. We're going to do live stream at London Open anyway, so we're going to see you guys then. Let's take a look at pound yen daily time frame. Looking at the daily is still struggling over here. Boom, 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 boom. Remove this. Looking at the 4 hour. 4 hour is creating some sort of a support. At the same time, we're creating some sort of resistance here as well. Looking at the 1 hour time frame now, we can adjust these zones better. Resistance up there, maybe adjust the support level on the 1 hour. Let's zoom in, see what's going on. Now you can see how this zone is a little bit thicker, so we got to make it a little bit, you know, sleek, minimalistic. You know, that's the word, minimalistic. So the 30-minute support, obviously, and then obviously we got the 30-minute resistance right here. 30-minute resistance we got at this point, and that's about it. You know, we got this range of 47 pip range. Let's bring our lines down over here. Let's make them a little bit thicker, blue, and that's what we got now, right? We got resistance, we got support. If you break above 190, 280, 260, got like 37, 40 pip range of price to move up. We're just consolidating now on pound yen. You can see the excitement I have in doing analysis on pound yen. But you know, the basic thing is you need to understand where the zones are. You need to understand where your resistance is, the support is, you know. But later on, we're going to see you guys for the London session. It's going to be posted in a live stream link. So if you haven't joined the full Market Fluidity University, please do. It's going to help you a lot. But yeah, let's see what happens. Gold, pound, yen. Well, take care, guys. We'll see you then.